Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Brightpay Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Brightpay Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see Brightpay Connect. Click on it or directly go to www.brightpay.co.uk. Then this type of interface will appear in the screen. From the top right corner, click to Login. From there, click to Login to Employee Portal. Then it will redirect you to another login page. Once the page has been loaded up completely, enter your email address and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your Brightpay Payroll. To make login easier for next time, click to Keep Me Sign In. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Your Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.